Welcome to this detailed tutorial on locking a background template in PowerPoint to prevent it from being edited accidentally. In this session, you will learn how to apply a background image to your presentation and lock it by following a series of clear step-by-step instructions. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation that you wish to work on. This process assumes that your presentation is already saved or readily accessible in the folder of your choice. Opening the correct file is essential to ensure that any changes you make are applied to the intended project. After the presentation file is open, carefully move your cursor over to the slide where you want to lock the background. To access the background settings, position the pointer on the slide and execute a right click. By right-clicking on the specific slide, a context menu will be displayed on your screen. This menu contains several useful options, and you should look for the option labeled Format Background. Selecting this option will open a side panel with additional settings, allowing you to customize the appearance of your slide's background. Once you have clicked on Format Background, direct your attention to the options appearing on the right-hand side of the screen. In this panel, you will need to choose the option that reads Picture or Texture Fill. This choice tells PowerPoint that you are interested in using an image file or a textured design as your slide's background. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so selecting this option should be intuitive based on the labels provided, with picture or texture. Fill now selected, your next task is to insert the image that you wish to use as your background. Look for an Insert button and click on it in order to begin this process. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, additional options might be presented. In this case, a selection labeled Stock Images will appear. Make sure to click on Stock Images to access the vast library of images offered by Microsoft. This is a convenient way to find high-quality images without the need to search for an external file. After clicking on Stock Images, a visual gallery should emerge, presenting you with several image options. Browse through the gallery and choose the background image that best fits the theme or mood of your presentation. When you have found the perfect picture, select it by clicking on it. To confirm your selection, click on the Insert button once more. This action finalizes the image insertion process, and the chosen image will now appear as the background for your slide. Following these steps ensures that the background image is not only added but also effectively locked into your slide design, which prevents any accidental modifications during editing. This locked background feature is particularly useful when you want to maintain a consistent and professional look across multiple slides without the risk of unintentional changes disrupting your design. This concludes the tutorial on how to lock a background template in PowerPoint. By carefully following these instructions, you can enhance the appearance of your presentations and safeguard your design elements against editing errors. Enjoy creating visually appealing slides that maintain their integrity throughout your work.